Most bike shoes now come with a nice BOA tightening system. And my last one broke apart. So I went online, they got a free lifetime replacement, very nice. They send you a little kit here with 2 units and the little tightening bolt. It's not bad, nice and easy. Here's one I completed, all done, nice and smooth. So let's work on the second one here. We'll show you how it's done. Comes with nice directions, easy to follow. Here's the items included in your packet. So to start, we dismantle, unscrew it, and pull it out and unwind it. Right in the center is a hole with this tool. I'll poke it in there, unscrew it, and pop this off. That piece came off. Now I'll poke this out of here. I pulled that out. So notice it was tightened up by spinning clockwise. So make sure to spin it clockwise. So basically these things are really tight in there, and on the system they show you how to tighten them with 3 loops. But so let's dismantle. We're gonna dismantle, save our little plastic piece next to the lace there, and we'll redo it so it's nice and black. So take a minute, dismantle. So the last one that was broken, I actually dismantled that, but you really don't have to dismantle it if you know about the length of your wire. So I'm just gonna snip this and throw this whole piece away. Save that piece. That's all trash. We're gonna get rid of that old one, unwind the new one, and lace it through. You really don't need to cut it now because we're gonna lace it through, and then it just tells you, do it about 10 to 20 centimeters excess once you lace it all through. So we'll snip it at that time. So with a little latch piece, make sure you get it right so that feeds through the tongue and then through that side. So we'll do the same thing on this side. Feed it through the tongue and then through this piece. The lacing's all done. On the paper they gave a thing there, so I'm just gonna pull these through. 20 centimeters was way too long, so I'm gonna use a wire cutter because these are metal inside. I'm gonna snip them off at 10 or 11 or 12 centimeters. Now for the next part, just follow directions. There's 3 holes. You feed it in through 1, back out through 2, and then up through the 3rd hole. Make sure on hole 3 that you come in front of side 2 and then behind side 1, so that when you tighten it down, it keeps that extra hook kind of going inside. I did it wrong on the first time. If you go outside, if you come out through 2, behind 2 and then out through 1, the wire pokes out. You do not want the wire poking out. Here's the piece with the 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and we'll slide it through and get it done. Again, we feed it up through hole number 1, down through hole number 2, leave some slack in there, back up through number 3, and then to tighten it down, we go inside, go in front of 2, behind number 1, and then tighten it all down. Repeat the same process with the other wire, up through 1, down through 2, and up to 3. Then when they're both in, you wind it up. I actually had to go back and do this. I was winding it the wrong way. You want to spin your hand clockwise to wind that up. And once it's all wound up, you pop it in to the hole, and grab the top that's got a little screw within it. Pop the screw in the hole, tighten it down, and you don't want to do it too snug. Otherwise, when you pop it out to loosen the lace, they won't loosen that enough. So put the screw in there, tighten it down pretty tight, but don't crank it down too tight. Then you're all done. Shoelaces will look and work perfectly.